Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by extracting the palm cream or preparing canned concentrate. This gives the soup its signature fat and color. Once the nuts are pounded and simmered, strain the oil-rich liquid. Make sure to reserve the fibrous mash for later if you want texture. Meanwhile, season the chicken and let it sit for 10 minutes so salt penetrates. Also chop aromatics, onion, garlic, ginger, so they're ready to sauté. Start heating oil in a pot as you finish the extract. You sauté the aromatics to release sugars and deepen flavor. Adding tomato paste gives acidity that balances the palm oil's richness. Once translucent, brown the chicken to build Maillard flavor. This matters for depth. Then deglaze with stock so those brown bits dissolve into the sauce. Add your palm extract and peppers, reduce heat, and simmer uncovered for 25 to 35 minutes so the soup thickens and the chicken becomes tender. Make sure to skim excess foam and adjust salt as it reduces. You finish by folding in greens and any reserved palm mash to thicken and add texture. This also balances fat. Once greens are wilted, taste and tweak seasoning. Salt first, then a small stock cube if needed, and a squeeze of lime to cut oiliness. Simmer 2-3 more minutes to meld flavors. Serve immediately with rice or fufu. Troubleshooting tip: if too oily, refrigerate 20 minutes and skim solidified fat, or add starchy side to absorb excess and rebalance the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.